Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Topic 10, Application of Differentiation, Lecture 3 of 3, Part 2 of 2. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to solve problems regarding rate of change, including related rates. Rate of change. Okay, example 7. Given 1 over u plus 1 over v equals to 1 over f with f as a constant. If f equals to 10 centimeter and u decreases with the rate of 2 centimeter per second, find the rate of change of v when u equals to 40 centimeter. So what is the information given here? U decreases with the rate of 2 centimeter per second means you are given the rate of change of u du dt is equals to 2 centimeter per second. Positive or negative, u decreases means you have to put negative in front. Okay, what is the question asked? The question asked the rate of change of v means dv dt. Okay, when u equals to 40 centimeter. The equation given to you here, there is 1 over u plus 1 over v equals to 1 over f. So I will substitute f with the constant that is 1 over 10. I will let v as a subject here. Therefore, 1 over v is equals to 1 over 10 minus 1 over u. Then I will equalize the denominator to be 10u. Therefore, we will get u minus 10. Therefore, we will get 1 over v is equals to u minus 10 over 10u. Okay, so we want to find out what is dv dt. To find dv dt, we need to find out first what is dv du. Okay, so we change to be v is equals to 10u over u minus 10. Okay, so this is the relation between u and v. Okay, now we continue. V can be written as 10u over u minus 10. So we want to find out what is dv du. Okay, I will use quotient rule here to differentiate dv du. So u minus 10, differentiate 10u, the answer is 10 minus, copy paste 10u, differentiate u minus 10, the answer is 1 over v squared, means u minus 10 squared. Okay, simplify, you will get 10u minus 100 minus 10u over u minus 10 squared. Okay, simplify, you will get the answer is negative 100 over u minus 10 squared. Okay, now we will use what is dv dt. dv dt can be written as dv du, the rate of change of v with respect to u, multiply with du dt. dv dt can be written as dv du. We will substitute this value, negative 100 over u minus 10 squared. And what is du dt? Du dt is given as negative 2. Okay, so the question asks, what is dv dt when u equals to 40 cm? So when u equals to 40 centimeter, so substitute, you will get the answer is negative 100 times negative 2. The answer is 200 over 40 minus 10 squared, and the answer is 2 over 9 centimeter per second. Okay, so this is the final answer. That is dv dt equals to 2 over 9 centimeter per second. Okay, thank you. For 8, if the ladder rests against a vertical wall, if the bottom of the ladder is sliding away from the base of the wall at the rate of 0.4 meter per second, how fast is the top of the ladder moving down the wall when the bottom of the ladder is 2 meters away from the base? So firstly, you need to draw the diagram. Then we need to write what is the information given. Given to you is if the bottom of the ladder is sliding away at the rate of 0.4. So the bottom of the ladder means x. Okay, so dx dt is given as 0.4 meter per second. How fast is the top of the ladder moving down? The top of the ladder is y. The ladder is moving down. So dy dt is equals to this is the something that we want to find out here. Now we will be using a Pythagoras theorem, that is x squared plus y squared is equals to 8 squared, that is 64. We will differentiate both sides with respect to time t. Differentiate both sides with respect to t. So we will get differentiate x squared, we have 2x, differentiate x is followed by dx dt. Differentiate y squared is 2y, and differentiate y is dy dt. Differentiate 64 is 0. Therefore, you will get 2y dy dt is equals to negative 2x dx dt. Then we cancel out 2. Then we will have dy dt is equals to negative x over y multiply with dx dt. And the question asks, what is dy dt? Dy dt is how fast is the top of the ladder moving down. So when x equals to 2 meter from the base, so x equals to 2, you need to find out what is the value of y when x equals to 2. Okay, so when x equals to 2, y squared is equals to 64 minus 2 squared, because x squared plus y squared equals to 64. Therefore, y squared equals to 60 and y equals to 60. Okay, y equals to 60. Therefore, I will substitute here. The value is negative 2 over y is 60 multiply with dx dt. Dx dt is given as 0.4. So simplify, you get the answer is negative 1 0.1032 meter per second. This is dy